We're testing a Rineer Hydraulic drive motor. This is our inlet here. We got our gauge, flow meter. Outlet is tied into a flow meter as well. By adjusting this dial here, we're going to put a back feed on the system, and it's going to duplicate a load on this motor while we're testing it. So by restricting oil coming out of the motor, we're going to create an internal pressure as if it was in its operating state. And we're going to monitor our flow and our pressures on this gauge, this gauge, this gauge, this flow meter, and this flow meter. You got two operational ports. This is going to be clockwise. This port's going to be counterclockwise. This hose here is just a lube line and a bearing drain for our shaft bearing. So as we're testing the motor, as we build pressure on this gauge, we get up to 2,000. This shaft should not stop spinning. If this shaft stops spinning, it's a failed test. Alright, we're running. We're putting about 9 gallons a minute into the motor. It's taking about 250 psi right now, 200 psi to spin the motor. Now we're going to introduce a load and see if we have any drop-offs in our revolutions per minute. You should never see any more than 10% of a drop-off of your RPMs of your shaft.